We're entering carrot season, so I thought I'd share with you how you can make your own iced carrot and lemon face mask to help you lighten dark spots, acne scars, and to give you an overall glow. By the way, my name is Bree. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you're interested in learning how you can grow your own food and herbs and how you can use fresh produce and fresh herbs to make your own herbal medicine, food recipes, and skincare products, make sure you click the subscribe button and like this video to stay connected. Now let's get into some of the benefits of carrots for skin. Carrots are very high in vitamins A and C, which are very beneficial for helping to improve skin complexion, for lightening dark spots, for helping to generate new skin cells to give you that fresh new glow. Carrots are also very beneficial for protecting the skin from sun damage, specifically carrot seed oil, but the carrot itself also holds some of the same benefits due to its beta-carotene content. Beta-carotene is also another ingredient that's great for anti-aging. So if you have like wrinkles, age spots, or anything that's making you look more aged and you don't want to look that way, this is also a very good ingredient for you to be utilizing on your skin. Also internally. And of course, the vitamin C content in carrots are helpful for fading dark spots and reducing the appearance of hyperpigmentation or darker spots on your skin than your normal skin complexion. So we're going to be using fresh carrots as well as some lemon for this ice face mask. So speaking of the ice face mask, I know you're probably like, what the heck is that, girl? So ice face mask is essentially the combination of an ice facial, which I mentioned in the video where I showed you guys different ways that you can utilize dead nettle. I will link it up here somewhere. But it's an ice facial that instead of you immediately rinsing off, you're going to let it sit on your skin so that all of the different vitamins and minerals within the carrot and the lemon can act on your darker or hyperpigmented spots to actually lighten them up and even up your complexion and give you the glow that you're looking for. So just like thinking about like a turmeric mask, if you put a turmeric mask on and as soon as you put it on, you wash it off, nothing's gonna happen no matter how long you use it, because you didn't allow the turmeric to sit on your face and actually work on correcting the skin issues that you have. So we're essentially combining an ice facial with a face mask to do this iced face mask. So let's get into how to make it. So first, I'm just getting my ingredients prepped to be juiced. You can also use a blender if you don't have a juicer and just strain it out. I'm going to run mine through a juicer because it's more convenient. Guys, I got my juicer almost a year ago and I just used it for the first time when I showed y'all how to make that herbal mango lemonade last week. And now I'm like, oh, I'm doing this for everything. So I just rinsed off my carrots and I'm just peeling them. This is technically optional, especially if you grow your own carrots. You don't really have to do this, but because it's technically, the carrots aren't mature where I am right now, I'm just doing this video for y'all. So when they're ready, you already know what you're about to do with it. But I bought this from the store, so I am peeling it. And then for our lemon, disclaimer, it is very important that you never put lemon juice directly on your face. So first of all, I'm only going to use half a lemon. And then on top of that, I'm going to dilute the lemon juice we get with water. So never put a fresh lemon or straight lemon juice, any citrus juice period, directly on your skin. That can damage your skin. It's very acidic. And you just don't want to shock your skin like that. So we're going to dilute this lemon juice with water. But first we're going to run the carrots through the juicer. So I'm going to empty the juices out in 2 different containers since I'm diluting the lemon juice. So we'll do that one first. Just go ahead and put just my half lemon. I peeled it already. Put that in there. That's a tiny bit of juice. But honestly, that's all we're going to need for real. So let's juice our carrots. tiny amount of juice, but that's okay. You can make as much or as little as you need, but as mentioned before, we are going to dilute the lemon juice for safety. So it's about a teaspoon, maybe 2 teaspoons of lemon juice in here. So I'm going to add 1 and let's do 2 tablespoons of water. So however much lemon juice you have, if you actually want to get precise, just do a 1-to-3 ratio. So if you have 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, you would add 3 teaspoons of water. 3 teaspoons is 1 tablespoon. So that's roughly what I'm going off of. And now we can combine the two before we add to our ice tray. So stir that up a little. Add it in. Let me get a knife or something to mix it up. So from this 1 carrot and half a lemon, I got 3½ ice cubes. Now I'm going to just stick this in the freezer and come back tomorrow to show you guys how to actually use the ice face mask. So this is what our ice cubes look like. It's actually been 2 days since I recorded the first half of this video. Now for the tutorial on how to use these. First, I'm just going to wash my hands and then wash my face. So when you're doing any type of face mask, you typically will do that after you wash your face. So I'm using the clear face wash from Herbal Everything. So I just want to show y'all ice cube. It's like ombre, like it's really cute. It's beautiful, actually. I'm assuming the lemon juice probably settled at the bottom, but beautiful. But to get into this tutorial, so it's very, very, very important that when you are doing an ice facial, number one, your face is wet. Just as heat can burn your skin, so can ice. So if you just put an ice cube on your face when you haven't washed it, or even if you did wash it and then you dried it, notice I did not dry my face. I left it wet, and I'm actually going to slap some more water on my face before I put this on my face. You want to ice your face when your face is wet, and never leave the ice cube stationary in one spot because it will burn you. Like my thumbs right now, we're about to have to get moving, but it's very, very important that your face is wet and you don't leave the ice cube in one spot for too long. So slapping some more water on my face. And I ice in sections. I typically count to like 5 per section and move around. Again, never leave the ice cube stationary in one spot. Keep it moving and just hit every area of your face. Maybe like, ew, it smells like carrot. Maybe like once or twice before you settle and say you're done icing your face. So I'm just going through and hitting every area one more time. I can taste everything in here too. It's crazy. So I'm actually gonna put this back in the freezer and it can be reused a second time. But iced face mask, so what's on my face? We're gonna let it sit for 5 to 7 minutes. Now, while this is a very simple and convenient way to correct dark spots or just give yourself a glow on your face, this would not be a convenient way to lighten dark spots or dark areas on your body. You're gonna experience dripping water. Like me right now, I'm intentionally going out my way to try to stand over my sink bowl so it's not carrot and lemon juice everywhere. Imagine trying to do that if you have dark armpits. It's just gonna be running all down your body. If you have a dark bikini line, it's just gonna be running all down your legs. Trying to ice in a shower is contradictory because the ice cube, especially if you take hot showers, unless you're gonna turn the water to be the same temperature as the ice cube, it's gonna melt within seconds. So it really wouldn't work that well for correcting dark spots and dark areas on your body. So this is where I typically would use my Radiance Brightening Scrub. It also has carrot and lemon oils in here, along with other natural herbs to help correct uneven skin complexion and to give you a natural glow, like turmeric, like ginger, like papaya. And it's very convenient for bodily use. So you can use this on your armpits, you can use this on your bikini line, you can use it on your back. Let's say you had back knee and you have scars left over from the back knee. This is a very easy way to do the same thing that we're doing with our ice face mask, but just on your body. Since icing your body, it just, unless again, you're gonna be in a pool of ice cubes or have that shower water at the same tip as the ice cube, it's not going to be an easy process for you, if effective at all. So I will link this in the description box. So it's been 6 minutes since I applied my iced face mask. This is what it looks like. So now I'm just going to rinse it off and apply my toner and my moisturizer, and then I'm done. Remember to be consistent when using this ice face mask, especially if you are trying to lighten actual hyperpigmentation or acne scars, as opposed to just trying to get a more natural glow. Consistency is very important. No consistency means no results. So you can do this daily. This would be a great addition to a brightening routine with something like my Radiant Scrub I mentioned before. Since you shouldn't use exfoliating scrubs every single day, it would be amazing if you did your ice face mask on the days you don't exfoliate. So that way your dark spots are getting treated every single day. Just make sure you're being consistent, and let me know how you guys' skin is looking after the mask. Cause I'm glowing, baby.